You heard of this new concept that has been exploding called vibe coding, which is essentially vibes-based coding. You kind of just lay back and talk to an LLM or an AI agent, ask it to design a website or an app or something, and iteratively by asking it to fix things, get to a point where you can have a minimum viable product. That is basically the idea behind it, and I got into it a little bit after taking a free course by deeplearning.ai where they teach vibe coding, or so to say, using Replit, which offers AI agents to kind of talk to them and say like, oh, make me a website and make this banner this size, take this image and put it on the main page, or add different features to get it to a point where it's an MVP, a minimum viable product. It's not the actual product, it's not the end-to-end solution, but to get your ideas out into the world. Now, vibe coding was introduced as an idea by Andrej Karpathy, a legendary AI researcher, and he used it as a way to describe to just lay back over the weekend and kind of like code up something basic. Now, a lot of people are looking down upon it, and I don't know why. I actually think it marks a cultural shift because it drastically reduces people's hurdles to get into software and coding. That doesn't mean they're software engineers or they're coders, but for example, a kid wants to do vibe coding and like bring out their ideas, that whatever ridiculous ideas they have, actually visualize them and realize them. That gives them the incentive to then get into hardcore coding, or learn more libraries, etc. This, I think, is going to increase the ability for people to learn about technology and AI, etc., by just giving them this playground where they can work and iterate over their ideas. I think it's very interesting. And if you want to take that course, I'll drop the link for that in the description or in the chat. So check that. It's basically a free course on deeplearning.ai, and I highly recommend it. It's about like an hour, 2 hours if you're slow, but it would give you a basic idea of vibe coding.